channel. So in this video I'm gonna be reviewing 10 most ridiculous videos which is available on 5-minute craft videos, and I'm just gonna open like a random 5-minute craft video and let's review it together. Alright, so what's the first one? Alright, so she's sleepy and she's at work, I'm guessing. Oh, that's a boss. Oh, who would have thought about that? She took a printout of she took a printout of eyes so she could stick it to her face or to her eyes. Alright, let me start with this. First of all, this is not a 5-minute craft. This won't be, I don't know my eye measurements. Like, who knows their eye measurements like so well? So for me to figure out which eye image would match my eye, that would take me at least like half an hour. And then you take the printout and then just imagine walking to the scanner and then you see your coworker or you see your boss there and you just like there with this sheet of eyes and you just go like, oh yeah, eyes. Yeah, sorry, this is ridiculous. Okay, so she's not able to open the soda bottle. Oh no! But there's a guy there and look what he's got. He's got a measuring tape. So what more do you need? Like, whenever you go on a date, just make sure that you have a measuring tape. She grabs a plastic cover and then she, oh my god. Okay. No, that won't work. That won't work. Why is she in the shower with the tube? Why is she there in the shower with the tube? What is going on? Dough is dirty. Okay, so it's dirty. Oh, this is actually okay. So all right. So let me make this straight. That's actually a good hack. I might do it. I think it looks like it works. I don't know if it works. I can definitely try it out, but if it works, I think that's a good hack. Oh my god, no. Like, this is not real, right? This is just fake. This is just fake. No way. Why would you put ketchup on your book? Why? She's probably thinking like, oh my god, this video is so stupid. And probably like, oh, there are way more stupider people to like review these too. Avocado, ooh, I like avocado. She smashed it up. Alright, that's fine. Maybe to make some guacamole, but maybe not. Because it's 5-minute craft. She's putting in a deodorant. Did you see that? She put that in a deodorant bottle and she put that in the fridge and she took it to her class. Imagine doing that at work. I just have this like random deodorant bottle and I just open it, I scroll it and I start eating. And everyone go like, oh, wait a minute, I saw this on 5-minute craft. That's actually a very good hack. No. Okay, so they order a pizza. Yummy! The pizza is always a good thing. Alright, oh, but it's frozen. Okay. Alright, but you know, you can actually place it in a microwave, but no, they wouldn't, because that's what 5-minute craft do. But instead they would actually put like a blocks of something and then an iron box in between and then heat your pizza to defrost it. I mean, if you think about it, and use the hairdryer to dry it up. If you think about it, it's actually a very good hack. Let me tell you that. I'm pretty sure it tastes way better than just using a microwave or just like heating up in the oven. I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, they started fighting. Oh no. They both need fan, but the guy's there for the rescue and he removes his pants. No, that did not just happen. Oh my god. He removed his... Oh my god. No, this is fake. Do people actually do that? No, no way. So she needs grapes, but she's playing games. All right, I get it. Okay, that's tough. Oh no. So what would you do? You would just rather, I don't know, think of anything else than the solution as like inserting a stick into your fan and then taping the grapes onto the stick. Oh, I get it. Oh my god, that is awesome. That is an awesome idea. I would have never thought about. Thank you, 5-minute craft. That's actually a very good hack. Alright, so what's next? Alright, so she's cutting a paper cup. That's fine. So, reasonable. Alright, okay, so she made it into a small cup. Alright, she inserted a fork in there. Okay. Oh my god. Oh shit, that's actually smart. Why can't you just use a spoon? Just use a spoon. But that's fine. You know, the next time I'm having a soup, I just make sure that in the restaurant, I'm just gonna ask for a paper cup, and then I'm just be like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna insert the fork in it and then just scoop it out. That's what 5-minute craft taught me. Brush, alright, she cut the ends. That's fine, but why? What? I don't get it. She stuck a straw onto a toothbrush so she could wash her mouth? Oh my god, I'm telling you, this 5-minute, I don't get them. Oh shit, that's actually smart. Use your toothbrush after you use your mascara. I'll have like 10 toothbrushes on my side. One to stick a straw into it so that I can wash my mouth for some stupid reason. Then second one, I can use it after using my mascara because apparently it makes your eyes look really good. Then, and 5-minute craft tells me to do so. Yeah, that's my toothbrush hack. But thanks for watching.